Welcome to the Art Project. This is Coat for Inktober. We are so close to the finish line. Inktober, 31 days long, of course. 31 prompts. I'm not even sure what this one is. This is like, 26, 27, 28, 27, I think. So we are almost there. And I got to tell you, I'm excited about it being almost over. It has been hard to do something every single day. In fact, I've missed a bunch of days, but then I went back and did them, which means, of course, that I had to do some of the prompts, 2 or 3 of the prompts sometimes in one day. But so it's been kind of hard. I really think that even though it's almost over, I need to like not let this go. Like I need to come up with my own prompts or find somebody else's prompts, and I need to keep on going because I made 31. Well, I've made 26 pieces this month, and I don't know that they're like really amazing, like works of art or anything, but it has been really, really good practice, and I do think that some of my Inktober prompts could be used for larger paintings. Like I could I could take one of them like ornament or something, and I could make an actual painting out of that, and I don't know, maybe sell it if somebody wanted it, and maybe I could do all 31 of them. Some of them I don't really even want to do because I don't really like all of my Inktober pieces, but I could do some of them as actual paintings, or I could take some of them and make them better and make them actual paintings. And I think if I was going to make actual paintings, I would probably make them about, I don't know, maybe 9 by 12 or 12 by 12 square like they are on my little cards. But anyway, this Inktober has been fantastic. I have stayed with it all the way through, even though I didn't do one every day. I did do all of them so far. And I like the way a lot of them have turned out. It's really pushed me as an artist. It's helped me get better. It's helped me to become a little bit more creative, I think, with what I do. And it's introduced me to some new materials and so on. Oh, I guess I should probably say a few things about the actual Inktober that I'm doing right here. This is Coat, and I brainstormed at the beginning, and one of the things that I liked that I thought fewer people would be doing was a coat of paint. And so I have my little painter dude putting a coat of paint. In fact, I'm tempted to go back and make all of my skulls sort of this bone color instead of just white. Now the model that I'm using is white, but bones or skeletons, as far as I know, I haven't actually seen my own, but as far as I know, they're not really white. They're bone colored. So I probably will not go back and repaint any of them, but I just thought it was kind of interesting to think about that they're not really white, and so maybe I should paint them all. But anyway, so in this case, it is bone colored, and this painter is painting them white. Now, I thought about different things. Like I thought, well, what if he painted it blue? Or what if he painted it red, And so instead of painting the bone color on there to look like bone and have him painting the white on there, it would be a white skull, and he would paint red on it, or he would paint it blue, or maybe even paint it gold. But I didn't want to do that because my mom and dad, every time they got a new house, they painted it white. That was just kind of their thing. They painted houses white. Well, I thought, the skull is thought to be white, even though it's really kind of bone colored. So what if this guy was responsible for painting skulls white? This is the white skull painter guy. Anyway, that was my idea behind it. It was fun. Is this the only Inktober I've done with a person in it? I'm not sure. Anyway, so back to what I was saying about doing full-size paintings or more finished works of art on this. If you have any ideas, like which one of the skulls that I've done for Inktober would you like to see as an actual finished painting? Of course, the actual finished painting would probably look a little bit different. It would look more finished than all of my Inktober drawings, because I really think of all of my Inktober drawings as more like sketches, really. Pretty well refined sketches, maybe. I'm not sure. Well, this one was kind of fun. I'm not the greatest at drawing people yet. I have been drawing people and trying to draw people and doing faces and practicing, and this guy turned out pretty good, but it was a struggle to get him there. But you don't overcome struggles by giving up. And if you're struggling in art, man, you need to make more art, not less art. So, Anyway, that's what I got done, and that's Coat for Inktober. I kind of feel like it's still a little bit too yellow in the eyes and the nose there. But anyway, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Please like, please subscribe, please comment down below. Anything, something. Please comment down below, and go and make some art.